Hello. So this vlog is a little bit different because we are using a new camera and I wanted to test it out. So some of these clips might be jumbled up days that are just going on into each other. But basically we're gonna be vlogging on the Sony ZV-1. Right now you can hear that the audio is straight from the camera, but we will be testing out a mic or two and different things here and there. But for right now, what you're hearing is gonna be straight from the camera. So let's go on with the day. Now the cool thing about this camera is that right now I'm using it with the Sony grip, so it's easier for me to just press this little movie button and start recording. There's a photo button on here. There's also a button that lets you zoom in and out, which is really clutch, and it's Bluetooth, so basically all you have to do is pair it with the camera and you'll immediately be able to use it, which is really clutch. But as you can see right now, I'm like, it's very white and it's washed out, but it is because I don't have an ND filter on. But the Sony ZV-1 has an ND filter, so let me turn it on really quick. Turn this on. Oh wow. Let me go outside so you can see. It's not bad. It is not. You know what, never mind. Okay, this is with the ND filter on inside of the car. I was trying to talk to you guys. I'll probably show you my car once I get to work, but I recently got my car detailed and this bitch looks brand new. Like, it's clean all on the inside. Like, there's no dirt or anything anywhere. Like, it's like I'm in a brand new car and I'm all about it. So, woo. But I just made it to work. This is what it's looking like with the ND filter on. I had to turn down the exposure a little bit because even with the ND filter, it was too bright. But I'm at work now, so we have to go. I know the audio probably sounds crazy because I'm outside, but I'll take you guys inside right now. But I probably won't film inside of my job. I'm gonna go on my lunch break and go to a couple of different areas around here and then come back. But I wanted to get some footage from this bad boy, so we'll do that. Probably look crazy, and you probably can't even hear me because I'm right next to the freeway, but like literally the freeway is right there. Let me try and zoom in. Literally the freeway is right here, so if you can't hear me, I apologize ahead of time. But this is what we're looking like. I don't know if this looks okay, but we will see later on. This vlog is probably gonna be all jumbled up of a bunch of different days, but at least you're getting to see what it looks like using it to actually vlog daily. So the audio that you hear right now is coming from my Rode mic. So now we're switching mics. What I've been using previously is this little attachment. It's like a little dead cat that you can put right onto the cold shoe that's right on top of this camera, and it like blocks the, you know, the microphone for wind and stuff like that, which I thought was very convenient. But now we are using a better mic for the audio moving forward. I just wanted to test out that little thing and test out the onboard audio of this camera. I don't know how it sounds because I haven't looked at the clips yet, but hopefully it doesn't sound too crazy. It probably sounds way better with this microphone that I have right on top of it now. This is me before watching Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness. I'm literally going to see it in an hour from now. So I will record my after reaction after this. I'm probably gonna film a whole review of the film itself, but this next clip will be my reaction. This gonna be the only thing I say, because I think I'm gonna film a review about the movie because a couple people asked me to. This isn't spoilers or anything, but shit was scary. What the? Y'all, look at this. I just got my car detailed. This happened a few days ago. This is so disappointing. Oh my gosh. This camera, it's been so fun using this. Y'all don't even understand. I didn't get a chance to actually film a lot because I've been working so much, which is the sad part. But I got to play around with it a little bit and I enjoyed it like a lot. And I just like how easy it is to use compared to most vlogging cameras that are out there right now. And I don't really have to do much. Like, this is just the settings that it's on. I have the ND filter on, but I have it on like auto ISO, so it's like trying to pick me up and stuff like that. Because the sun is out, it is pretty bright out right now, but I think it looks pretty well. I know I look a little dark right now, but that's just because I'm in the car. So if I was actually outside, I'd probably look like 10 times better, but I still think it works fairly well. Like, look at that. That's a good shot right here. I could just sit this up and just talk to y'all, but I can't do that because I'm driving. But I'm not like driving and vlogging at the same time, like out in the streets. I'm in my little cul-de-sac where I can actually do stuff like this, because I can't be vlogging and driving. That's so illegal. I just wanted you to see how it looks like on the daily and how I would use it and things like that. Now, every time I try to explain that my neighbors don't talk to me and when I wave, like, how you just gonna sit there and just not? And then this other one is sitting here staring. I just don't understand anymore. Almost fell just now. I actually get to work from home tomorrow, which is really crazy because it's been a minute. I was gonna go up the street and try and film something, and then I was trying to go over here because right next to my job is this freeway. But since I do work from home tomorrow, maybe I should just go out and get some shots, which I probably will end up doing because I want to beat traffic and go home because I'm tired. So how about we do that? We're gonna do that. All right, I think that it's about due time. I don't even know where it's at. Oh, it's right here. So if you are watching this, I hope that you are. I think that it is due time. I'll tell y'all who won this. We're gonna randomly pick a comment right now. As you can see, it is up on my screen. So that way y'all don't think that like I'm trying to dip anybody or just pick because I want to. No, we're randomly picking someone. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, pasted the link, got YouTube comments. There's 24 in total, so that's not a lot. So there's gonna be one lucky person. And let's go ahead and click start. David Gata, you just won this mic, David. So I hope you're still subscribed because I'm going to be checking, and hopefully that you watch this video so that way you can get this bad boy. But I'm gonna probably respond to your comment too, so that way you do get this. But David Gata, this is yours. And trust me, I'm gonna be doing more stuff eventually in the future, but because I am planning like a camera giveaway, but that's something that we have to talk about because giveaways, I don't like giveaways, as many of y'all know, but we'll see. But David, this is yours. Cool. I really wish I got to keep this thing, but I'm going to have to purchase one for myself because today is my last day with this camera and I'm so sad because I really enjoyed using it, as you can tell. And like even right now, how you can see that I'm driving at the moment, I literally am just using the tripod. Like I probably shouldn't drive too crazy, but right now I'm literally just using the grip with the camera. And it's just sitting right here on top of my dashboard and it's not moving because the grip is like, it has friction in between. So like, look how convenient, like we could have car chats. Like, are you serious? We can literally have chats inside the car where I'm like driving somewhere real quick and just talking about whatever. And it would be so convenient because I wouldn't need my big ass camera. So yeah, this is definitely going to be a purchase, but I'm so grateful to be able to, you know, use this. And it's just ridiculous. This camera is great. Like, you see how it's wobbling a little bit, but that's because I'm going over bumps. Like, look, I'm about to go over a bump right now. But is it still in place? It sure the heck is. But I mean, I would probably end up getting something better to put the camera on, so that way I don't look like a maniac with it just sitting up like this. I'm happy. And right now we're actually gonna be headed to, I think I'm just gonna go down the street a little bit towards, because I live kind of close to the beach. And I'm gonna take some pictures to show you guys pictures that can come out of this thing. And then I'm gonna get a little bit more B-roll because I feel like I haven't got a lot of footage. I mean, I've gotten a lot of footage, but I feel like I haven't got enough for you guys to be like, oh, how good good is this camera. Again, we're literally on 4K settings. Raw pictures are gonna be coming out. I literally have it set to auto, like ISO and stuff like that, because I mean, I don't think right now it's set on auto ISO, but I'm gonna put it on auto later once I get down to the beach, because using the auto ISO on this has been really convenient. Using everything auto has been really good, and the ND filter has been really good on this too. I have the ND filter on right now. It is a little kind of like looking crazy in the background, but that's because I don't have auto ISO on. I should probably turn that on right now. I'm now at the beach. So let's go ahead and there's like a lot of ships out too, which should probably look a little cool. I'll see if I can zoom in on them and stuff like that. There's really cool houses over here up this street. So I might go in this little cul-de-sac because they have like these houses that have like these nice like sculptures and stuff on them. So I'll probably get some stuff over there too. I'm gonna try and be as quick as possible because I don't want to waste any time, because it gets really busy over here. And right now it's like really chill. So I'm gonna try and be as quick as possible. It's windy as heck today, bro. I don't know what's going on. I hope the windscreen is actually working. There's a lot going on today on these streets. As you can tell, there's people doing gardening and a whole bunch of other stuff, but I think I got enough footage because the wind is making my allergies act crazy, and I'm not a fan at all. It's kind of nice over here, so I might take a couple more pictures. You know, I have come to the realization that everyone is copying somebody. I mean, not copying, like, because some people, they don't realize that they're doing it. But when it comes to like YouTube, Instagram, like you will get ideas from other people, and it might not be like your idea might be different, but you still got your idea from something else. And in a world full of people that are creative and things like that, it sucks because some people think that like you're trying to like mimic them or copy them or like steal from them. And like a lot of people do, but then other people, it's like you're not doing that. You have things that are similar within each other. And I think that's the thing that sucks for like a lot of people, especially like on YouTube, because there's so many tech influencers and vloggers and things like that everything starts to blend and be the same, and it's like, what makes you different? And I think that's what scares me the most, especially when making videos like these, is like, what makes me different than half of these other vloggers and tech YouTubers and people that are out there, you know? I still enjoy it. I still have fun. I like doing things like this. I like making videos. I like going out on the field and going out places and filming and stuff like that. So I don't see myself stopping anytime soon. And if I can keep having these opportunities to do things like that, I'm going to keep doing that, you know? I apologize if there's wind blowing too, because I have the AC on, but it's too damn hot. It's just been making me think a lot about doing things like this and vlogging and showing my life, even when there's days where it's boring or where I just want to sit down and just talk. And I don't know, my thoughts are just rambling right now. Let me stop. It's now time for me to part ways with this camera, but it's been so fun using it, and I do see myself purchasing this very soon because this thing is honestly amazing. This is one of the best vlogging cameras that I've used in a very long time. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please already subscribe, like it, all that jazz. I'd really appreciate it. I hope you got something out of this. I know that I did for sure. But if you haven't already, there should be my face popping up somewhere on the screen right now. Click it to subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And on the other side is actually a YouTube video that YouTube itself would recommend to you that they think you would enjoy. So I hope to see you over there. Bye.